Namaste students, RSV group of schools welcome you to class 3rd English. Today we are going to read a beautiful poem written by R.L. Stevenson, A Good Boy. Every child, whether a boy or a girl, wants to be good only. Why? Because he wants to be happy and make the people around him or her happy. So let's begin our poem, A Good Boy. I wake up in the morning. I was happy all the day. I never said an ugly word, but smiled and stuck to play. The boy, he wakes up in the morning before the sun shines and he's happy all the day. Why? Because early risers are always happy and successful. I never said an ugly word. He never uses any of the bad language and always stuck to play. And now at last the sun is going down behind the wood, and I am happy for I know I have been good. The boy, he is saying, the whole day has passed away, and now the sun, it is going down behind the woods. Woods means forest. It seems that the sun is disappearing among the trees which are there in the forest. And he knows very well that he has done all good for all the day, and for doing good every time he is happy and he feels that he nothing on this earth can make him unhappy because he is good to others and others are good to him. My bed is waiting cool and fresh with linen smooth and fair, and I must off to sleeps in by and not forget my prayers. He's saying, now it is the sleep time, and my bed, it is cool and fresh, and it is waiting for me, as my clothes, which I am going to wear for the night, they are very smooth and they are tidy. Fair means tidy. And I must now take a sleep, take a sound sleep. But before going to the bed or before taking a sleep, I should not forget to do the prayers to the God who has given me such a wonderful day and such a wonderful night, and the life which is being given by the God. I know that till tomorrow I shall see the sun arise. No ugly dream shall fright me, my mind, no ugly sight my eyes. The boy, he is saying that I know I will again see the sunshine and I will be happy with that. Why? Because I will wake up before the sunshine to see the sunshine and sunrise. And he's saying with confidence that no ugly dream can frighten me, can scare me, and I am not going to see any of the ugly sights. Because why? Because I am a good boy and I will always do good in life. My slumber hold me tight. I'll wake in the dawn. After a sound sleep, I will wake up when the day will dawn, when the day is going to begin. Dawn means early morning, and hear the thrushes singing in the lilacs around the lawn. He's saying, with a fresh mood, with a fresh morning, I will wake up early in the morning, and thrushes are the birds. Thrushes will be singing in the lilacs. Lilacs are the plants with beautiful flowers. They will be around the lawn. He is always optimistic and always thinking positive way of life. He wants to say that if we are good, everybody on this earth will appear good to us. And if we are bad, then everything will be appearing bad to us. So, students, we all should be a good person in life, as what you give, you take in return. So, we should always try to be good to others so that we can also get good things in return. And we should never forget to do prayers. Why? because Almighty, the God, has given us such a wonderful life. I hope you have understood the poem very well. Thank you and have a nice day.